You're videotaping the show. On you. On you.
Before we get into the hair dyeing nonsense, and trust me, the end result is worth the wait, I want to tell you about our first month in London. Or at the very least, what I filmed on my camera. If you want to see more of my England adventures, I highly suggest you go onto my Instagram story because I have a lot more fun on there, including our day at Bali Ballerson and also this beautiful light show at Canary Wharf. I'm so far away from it, and I still can't get the whole thing.
Athena.
So where are we at?
London Eye.
In front of
Myself. I am the biggest of all the bands.
Ben and I. Oh, just kidding. It's my freaking drink. Whee! Step inside my frame. Oh, keep going. Like you don't see me. Like you don't see me. Make it artsy.
If Kevin's real, I would get there really quick.
Look, an elephant. Noise smart.
Did you say noise smart at the Tower of London?
Yeah. I'm gonna say it again. Watch me. Noise smart.
This raven's eating a mouse. Oh. It be night, and it looks alright. Ben, how you feel?
I feel great.
Hey, come with me. Hey. Are you excited about the Warwick Castle today, sweetie?
Pretty nice. It's pretty nice.
Why'd you do such a kid thing and then your voice is, it's pretty nice. Hell yeah. Strut yo stuff, bitch. Is it just me or is he living for this attention? So I asked you guys on my Instagram story what color you thought I dyed my hair, and here are your amazing responses. I actually initially planned on dyeing my hair something very different, so a lot of the people who I told that were very shook. So here's the process. First, I had to towel dry my hair after shampooing it. And here's me getting whiplash from throwing my hair back too quickly. And then I'm going to do it again so I get it all on top of the towel. Got dizzy again.
That'll be it for now.
And now I have to part my hair down the middle to make sure everything's even. Okay, so I have to put my rubber gloves on first. And then we'll just jump into it. Get ready for a whole lot of rubber glove ASMR. It's actually time to do the thing. Yeah.
I think she's nervous.
I am.
She's starting to sing about nervousness. That's usually a sign that she's a little nervous.
Just get it. Need more than that.
Looks like blood.
Right? Oop. That's a nice pink. I really like that.
Ooh.
Yeah. Put that right here, next to my toothbrush. I need way more than that.
Looks like it's time to wash. It's a lot of color.
Ooh, I'm excited. Okay. Thank you. I dyed it myself. I was really scared about how it was gonna come out, but I really like it.
Looks so good.
Thank you. I actually ended up putting purple at the top. My roots are here, so it didn't come out, but I like the pink into the red anyway, so it's fine.
Yeah, I like it. That's
Thank you. You're the third person to know.
I feel honored right now.
Also, is it okay if I put you in my YouTube video?
Hello.
Hey.
Am I being filmed?
Yes, is it okay if I put you in my YouTube video?
I'm so freaking out.
Yay! Look. Okay. Hello!
Oh, hi. That's rad. I love it.
Yeah, thank you! Oh my gosh.
Great.
I really thought it was going to be a disaster. I thought it was going to be like hair dye fail, but yeah, I like it.
No, that looks really good.
Thank you so much. How are you guys doing? How's it? Hello,
Avon.
Kellyanne.
I love your hair.
Thank you.
I miss you.
I miss you too. Permission to put you in a YouTube video also.
Oh, yeah.
Yay! Okay,
Hey.
great. You can cut the camera off now. I just want to talk to my friends. Is my face on the screen?
No, it's just a gingerbread cookie.
Ah. Okay. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Oh my god, you look so good.
Thank you. I dyed it by myself, and I was so scared about how it was gonna come out.
It looks really good.
Thank you.
I really like it. That was such a cool reveal.
Thank you. I just like popped up.